Hello children, welcome to today's video session of Standard 8 Computer Science Lesson 5 Introduction to C Language. C is a structured programming language. It was developed by M. Ritchie at AT&T Bell Laboratories in 1972. Software developed in C can be system software as well as application software, and hence it is called as middle language. C is a case-sensitive language. What are the structures of C programming? Header files, that is it as a library file. Main, a special function. Open flower bracket, a parameter which usually follow main function. Declaration variable, it declares the data types and variables. Statement 1 to statement n, input, output and process statements. Close flower bracket, end of a program. In a C program, all the statements are terminated with a semicolon except in some statements. Now let us examine the structure of C program. Header files. Header files are built-in C files which contains a declaration and definition of the most commonly used input-output function. Without the header files, the program does not execute. Main function is the heart of the program. Without main function, it is difficult to write the C program. While executing the program, compiler first starts to execute the main function. After that, only the remaining parts of the program will execute. Variables in C. Variable is a storage location which contains a value or information. Variable name is used to refer the stored value in different storage locations. There are some rules to be followed while naming a variable. It should begin with an alphabet. The second and the succeeding character can be a number or a letter. No special characters are allowed except underscore. The maximum length of a variable name is 31 characters. No reserved words or keywords are allowed in a variable name. What is constant in C? Constant are data whose value cannot be modified during the execution of the program. Normally, the value which is assigned to a variable is called constant. A constant can be a number like 21, 2.6, a character like A or ampersand, a character string like this is constant. So from the picture you can see the constant. Constant are divided into two types, numeric constant, non-numeric constant, and the numeric constant are divided into integer constant, real constant. Non-numeric constants are divided into character constant, string constant. Declaration in C. Declaration specify the data and it can contain one or more than variables of the type. All variables must be declared at the beginning of the program before they used. Data types in C. Data types are used to declare different types of variables in the program. They are declared at the beginning of the program. The data type can be classified as primary data type, derived data type, user-defined data type. So from the picture you can see what is primary data type, derived data type and user data type. The data type int, that is int, have four qualifiers. They are short, signed int, short unsigned int, long signed int and short int. There are two qualifiers in character data type, namely signed char and unsigned char. Double and long double are the two qualifiers for double data type. So from the pictures you can see the data types, limitation and the bytes of bytes. Modifiers. The storage of data in any data type can be altered by using modifiers. The modifiers are signed, unsigned, long, short. Format specifier. Format specifier are the individual composite symbols, also known as conversion specification, which represent data type. These strings also define how the input and output data is to be interpreted internally. Some of the control variable strings and the meanings are given as follows. So from the picture you can see control variable string and their meaning. Escape sequence. These are the characters that perform special functions other than producing text, such as advancing a new line, horizontal tabulations, etc. These are character combinations, that is backslash followed by some character. Some of the commonly used escape sequences are as follows. /n for new line, /v for vertical tabulation, /f for form field. Comment line. Comment line is used for describing what the code is doing in a C program. The line provides readability to the programmer. Between these characters, any message can be included either in uppercase or in lowercase. C keywords. From the table you can see the keywords of C. They are auto, double, int, struct. Operators. Operators are those symbols that perform mathematical and logical calculation. The different types of operators are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, increment and decrement operator, ternary operator, size of operator, bitwise operator. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are operators used to perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The calculations are performed on two numeric operands. The arithmetic operators are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division and percentage symbol for modulus. Assignment operator. The equal to symbol is called the assignment operator. It assigns the variable or constant to the variable. Relational operator. Relational operator is to check the relation between two operands. It returns a value 1 if the relationship is true, otherwise it returns false. Logical operator. Logical operators are used to combine expression containing relation operator. The logical operators are also called as Boolean operators. The result of a logical operator is either 1 or 0. Increment and decrement operator. The increment and decrement operators are used for adding or subtracting the value of the variable. These operators are referred as unary operators. You can see the example from the table. Conditional or ternary operator. Conditional operators are used for decision making in C. This operator operates with 3 operands. Hence, it is called as ternary operator. The syntax for this: expression 1, question tag, expression 2, colon, expression 3. Size of operator. The size of operator is a unary operator. It returns the size of memory occupied by operand in bytes. Bitwise operator. Operation on each bit of data is carried out by using bitwise operators. You can see the eggs for operators, meanings of operator, and the example is given. Hierarchy of operators. The priority given to the operator, that is, in which order the operation to be performed, is called precedence. The chart given shows a precedence of operators.